So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of Mitsubishi AC remote in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 18 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees take. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button after that is mode. The mode button has 5 functions. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode in the remote. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in heat. Now the mode is in dry. Now the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in very simple words. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode is heat. Note that if your AC supports heat mode, then only you can use heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, then you cannot use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, then you can heat your room by using heat mode in cold weather. After that, the next mode is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat. So using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. After that, if you press the mode button again, the auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own requirement. The next button after that is fan. This is for the speed of the fan that is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the fan speed is in medium. Right now the fan speed is in low. Right now the fan speed is in auto. Right now the fan speed is in high. You can control the speed of the fan according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. After that, the next button is high power, econo. Pressing this button once will turn on the high power function. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes. But by pressing the high power button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the high power button. In this the room cools very quickly. After that, pressing the high power, econo button twice continuously will turn on the econo function. The econo mode AC is designed to use less energy, which can reduce electricity bills. Pressing the econo cool button during cool mode activates a simple energy saving mode. The unit will automatically adjust the temperature a few degrees for efficiency and turn on the swing operation of the vanes to minimize any loss of thermal comfort. The next button is airflow. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up and down. To use this swing, you can also see the direction in the remote. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, your swing flap will stop there. And you can also use your swing flap easily by looking at the direction in the remote, and you can also use the swing flap in automatic mode. The next button is the second airflow button. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. To use this swing, you can also see the direction in the remote. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing, by pressing this button, your swing will stop there. And you can also use your swing easily by looking at the direction in the remote, and you can also use the swing in automatic mode. The next button is 3D Auto. The 3D Auto function is a function of airflow. If your room is quite large and you need the airflow of the AC for a long distance, then you can use the 3D Auto button. This function is designed to deliver air for a long distance. The next button is sleep. On the Mitsubishi AC remote, the sleep mode, often represented by a moon or sleep-related symbol, is designed to optimize the temperature for comfortable sleep by gradually raising the temperature over time, usually increasing 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius per hour. This mode adjusts the temperature to compensate for the natural drop in temperature at night. This ensures that the room is not too cold and uncomfortable. This mode allows you to sleep without having to wake up to change the AC setting. This mode creates a cool, quiet environment. This mode is intelligent and produces less noise. The next button is timer. Before using the timer, make sure that the present time is set in the remote or not. If the present time is set in the remote, only then you can use the timer. If the present time is not set in the remote, then you cannot use the timer. To set the present time, remove the battery of the remote and put it back in. When the battery is put back in, the time in the remote will start blinking. Now you can set the present time with the temperature up-down button. For example, suppose it is 3:22 p.m. in my mobile right now. So now I will set 3:22 p.m. and the present time will be set automatically. As soon as you press the timer on button, the time of the timer on will start appearing. Now you can set the time of the timer on with the up-down button. In timer on, you can automatically turn on your AC according to the time. For example, suppose I want to turn on my AC automatically at 10 p.m. I will set the time to 10 p.m. and the time of timer on will be set automatically. As soon as you press the timer off button, the time of timer off will be visible. Now you set the time of timer off using the up-down button. In timer off, you can automatically turn off your AC according to the time. For example, if I want to automatically turn off my AC at 5 a.m., then I will set the time to 5 a.m. and the time of timer off will be set automatically. The time you have set in timer on and timer off can be checked by pressing the timer on and off buttons. If you want to cancel the timer, then you can cancel the timer by pressing the cancel button of the remote. The next button is clean. The clean function of Mitsubishi AC, often referred to as self-clean or auto-clean, automatically cleans and dries the indoor unit to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria, ensuring clean and odor-free air. The clean function, when activated, uses the AC cooling mechanism to freeze and defreeze the heat exchanger, effectively cleaning and drying it. This function prevents the growth of mold and bacteria that can cause unpleasant odors and health issues. Maintains clean air quality. Regular use of the clean function ensures that the air circulating in your home is clean and free from contaminants. This operation lasts for 90 minutes and then stops automatically. Next button is ACL. If your remote is hanging or not working properly, then by pressing the ACL button the remote will reset and will start working properly. I hope you have understood the information given. So like my video and subscribe to the channel.